Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable the heartbeat visual support in the Dead by Daylight. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to options. Now here we need to select the accessibility, and here in the accessibility section we will have the heartbeat visual support, and it will display an indicator, and it will be affected by the radius and the, I don't remember this name, but I think it was a lullaby. So here we can basically enable it or disable it by clicking either on the left to disable it or onto the right to enable it. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.